Today we are going to be unboxing this Govee red, green, blue, white color changing light bars. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So this does work with Google Home and Alexa, which is really handy. So open the box and take a look what's inside. Okay, so quite a few things. So here are the light bars with a USB-C connection on the bottom. Let's just pull one out. Looks like both bars are connected to one USB-C cable. And here are the bars. Looks like they have a little mount there. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. Instructions, which is handy. Looks like bases or chargers or mounts. Okay, this looks like the remote control for it. So power goes in there, USB goes in there. Okay, this is a charging block. Let's see what else is inside. Maybe these are mounts. Let's see. Yep, these are mounts. So these mount a few different ways. One is vertically, so this is a vertical mount. You just stick the bar in. Like that. And then it just sits on your desk. And then there's one other mount that goes right on the back here.